Hello and welcome. In this video, you will see how to install Endeca Discover Integrator on a Windows machine. So you're looking at my Windows 8 desktop, but the steps on Windows 7 are the same. So we'll go to edelivery.com, log in with our account. You can have a free account on this. So I'll search for Oracle Endeca products, and here is the package for Integrator. And while this is downloading, I need to download two more packages. One is Eclipse and another is RAC. And it's very important to choose the right version, as we will see. So you take Eclipse Indigo, and within that you take Eclipse ID for Java, not Eclipse ID for Java EE. If you do that, then it will not install correctly. So I download that, and then I need one more package. That's the target management package from Eclipse Foundation. It's easier to search on Google than searching on Eclipse website. So here, choosing the correct version is very important. So I go to downloads, but I do not take the latest stable or release build. I take the one from 2011. So you click on this and download. So now I have these three files. I need one from e-delivery website from Oracle, another and the two from Eclipse Indigo, and RSE SDK. So I will move these three files into a separate folder which I've created for this purpose. I do not need to unzip Eclipse or RAC. I need to unzip only the file I downloaded from Oracle's website. Now I need to unzip the first one. It's a large file. So these are the two files I expected to see in this folder. Install.bat, which is a Windows batch file. Now I need to go to command prompt and change directory to that folder. So I'll go one step at a time. One more. And I run this install.bat file. So I take the default location. Now I need to provide it with the location of the Eclipse zip file. Please make sure that your Eclipse file is not already unzipped. And now it's looking for the location of the RAC zip file. If you have wrong RAC version, it will not reach this point. It will give you an error. All right, now we go and we check. So here we are. Let me give it a different name. So if you see Oracle's logo and Clover ETL in the name, that means you did everything correctly. If you had the wrong version of Eclipse, then you would not see this. Now I want to show you a very important feature of Integrator, how to connect to an Endeca server in SSL mode. And we go to preferences, look at the GRE, and you look at the default VM arguments is empty right now. This is where we have to put information which will allow you to connect to an Endeca server securely. So I create a new folder here called SSL. You can name it anything you want. And in this folder, we'll be putting the certificates from the Endeca server. So in any production setting, your Endeca administrator will have to work with you. So I'm connecting using SFTP to my Endeca server. Here is the port. On the left side is my Windows server, Windows desktop. On the right side is Linux. So I'm navigating to Endeca directory. And now on the Unix side, I'll go to the Endeca server domain. And I'll move these two files onto the Windows server. So I have the arguments. I've saved it in a file on my machine on Google Drive. So I'll go and I'll copy it. So you see these are the arguments that tell Integrator the location of the certificates and the key, the password. So I copy it and I paste it in this at this location, default VM arguments. I was not able to load data into an Endeca server without running it in SSL mode. Even though the documentation was saying it might work, but it did not. So I invested in this, and since then I have been successful in loading data into an Endeca server. So that is all, and you should start loading data. In the next videos, I'll show you how to create workflow for loading data into various uh, destinations, and one of the sources we will show you is the OBIE server. Good luck.